In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode. Begin by going into devices settings and scrolling all the way down to access special features. Now tap on simple mode at the bottom and hit enter simple mode. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, click on settings again, but this time select exit simple mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!